How to access mail in your Intelligent Mailbox. The Intelligent Mailbox is a simple and secure system designed to keep your mail safe. Sensors within the mailbox send you an alert when you have received mail. You'll also receive an alert when your mail has been collected. There are 3 ways to access mail in your Intelligent Mailbox: via swipe tag, via password, and via the Mailbox app. In this video, we will show you how to use each one. The first way to access mail is via swipe tag. It is the quickest and most common way to retrieve mail. Simply swipe your tag over the scanner and your mailbox will automatically open. After you have collected your mail, shut the door and press exit on the screen. Another way to access mail is via password. If you haven't already done so, go to the mailbox touchscreen and set up your password. To do this, swipe your tag to open your mailbox and select Update Password. Enter a 6-digit password and then press Submit. And you're all set up. Now, to open your mailbox using the password, go to the mailbox touchscreen, press in the account field and enter your apartment number, press in the password field and enter your 6-digit password, and then press Login and your mailbox will open. After you've collected your mail, shut the door and press Exit on the screen. The last way to access mail is via the Mailbox app. Did you know you can open your mailbox from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet connection? This is perfect for when you're not at home but want to leave an item in your mailbox for collection. For example, a key for a tradesperson or cleaner. You can also open the mailbox remotely for a friend who has a delivery for you. First, you'll need to download the Mailbox app. Go to the Play Store or App Store on your mobile device and download the My Intelligent Mailbox app. Open the app and press Register. Enter your mobile number and email address and then press Get Verification Code by SMS. Once you receive the SMS, enter the 6-digit verification code and press Next. Lastly, set up your own 6-digit password and press Update. The home screen of My Intelligent Mailbox will appear and you've successfully downloaded the app. Now to open your mailbox via the app, go to My Mailbox, press the Open tab, press OK to confirm you'd like to open the mailbox remotely, and voila! If you need any help getting started, just visit our website help page. Alternatively, you can call our 24-hour helpline or email us.